Welcome to the weekly Spanish review. This is for the fourth week of Spanish 2 in Mr. Jones's class. This week we went over verbs gustar, interesar, and aburrir. We'll start today with gustar, which means to like. So if we want to say I like, we would say me gusta. And then going off our new sports vocabulary, if you want to say I like tennis, me gusta el tenis. So after gustar, we can use things or nouns like el tenis. We can also use verbs after gustar. So if you want to say I like to play tennis, you can say me gusta jugar tenis. Now in this first example, el tenis is singular, it's one thing. But if I want to talk about my likes for multiple things, we need to change gustar. So if you see here, if you're talking about more than one thing, the ending needs to change. We have to add an N to gustar. So sports would be an example. Sports is plural, so we need to change gustar to gustan. Me gustan los deportes. Notice how deportes is plural, so we change gustar to gustan. It's important to note that after a verb, we always use gusta. So even though in this example, deportes is plural, since we have a verb, jugar, to play afterwards, we keep me gusta. So me gusta jugar los deportes. Another example would be this sentence. We can see in this sentence libros is plural, which is books, but since we're talking about I like to read the books, gusta stays like this. If you just wanted to say I like books in general, me gustan los libros. So now we know the verb gustar is to like, and me gusta means I like. We can talk about other people as well. Te gusta, you like. Le gusta, he, she, or we can also use this one with usted, which is you formal, likes. We like would be nos gusta, and you all or they would be les gusta. And remember, we add the N on if it's plural. To interest, I'm interested, me interesa. You're interested, te interesa, and then so forth. Le interesa, nos interesa, les interesa. Finally, for aburrir, which means to bore, me aburre. So if you don't like tennis, if it bores you, you could say me aburre el tenis. Te aburre, le aburre, nos aburre, les aburre. In this next part, we're going to practice making questions and then answers. So, for the first one, ¿te interesa el fútbol americano? Does American football interest you? So if it's asking about you, we're going to respond back with me. Yes, I am interested in American football. Me interesa el fútbol americano. For the second one, ¿te aburre mirar golf? Does it bore you to watch golf? Notice here we can ask again with verbs. After these, mirar is a verb, to watch. So I want to say yes, it bores me to watch golf. Sí, me aburre mirar golf. And then the last one, do you like sports? ¿Te gustan los deportes? Sí, me gustan los deportes.